In this video, we will talk about math module and how we can do statistics with the help of Python. So what is a module? A module is a part of a program. Program can be composed of one or more modules. In Python module, we can define different functions, classes and variables. A program is made up of module and a module can be made up of further submodules. We can import module if we want to use it. To perform mathematical calculations, we import math module. To find the square root of any number, sqrt function is used in Python. So first we will import math module. The square root of 49 is 7. Ceil function gives the smallest integer but not less than that number. For example, math.ceil 79.23, हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 80. Next is floor function. It returns the value which is equal or less than that number. For example, math.floor 82.45. So the answer will come 82. Math.floor minus 82.45. इसमें जो आंसर आएगा that is minus 83. Next is power function. POW function. It returns x raised to power y. For example, POW 5, 3. So the answer will be 125. 5 cube is equal to 125. FABS function. It returns the positive value of the number. This positive value is called the absolute value. For example, math.fabs minus 67. So the answer will be the positive value of minus 67, which is 67. Random function. Random function returns any random value. It can be any value. We can also provide the range, for example, starting and the ending. Next is statistics module. The statistics module provides function for calculating mathematical statistics of numeric data. To calculate the mean function is used, and to calculate the median, we use median function. To calculate the mod, we use mod function. So first we have to import statistics module. So we have given any list containing random values 23, 65, 89, 78, 45. So we have to calculate the mean of these values. So we will write statistics.mean bracket. In the bracket we will write list 1. So the answer will be 60. Similarly, we can calculate the median and the mod. Let us do one question. Write the corresponding Python expressions for the following mathematical expressions. First is under root of a square plus b square plus c square. So how we will type this formula? First we will write math.sqrt. In the bracket we will write a asterisk a into a plus b into b plus c into c. Second part is p plus q upon r plus 5 raised to power 4. So how we will write this formula? P plus q divided by math.pow because r plus 5 raised to power 4. Okay. Next is 5 raised to power x minus x, and we have to calculate the mod value. Okay. So we will write math.fabs. In the bracket we will write math.pow 5 comma x minus x bracket close. One thing you have to remember, that as many bracket you will start, you have to close those brackets. Next is 2 minus 4 z raised to power 2y plus 4y. So how we will type this formula? 2 minus 4 into math.pow. In the bracket we will write z comma 2y plus 4 into y. Next question. Write a Python program to calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Okay. S is equal to, you know what is S? A plus B plus C divided by 2. And the formula of to calculate the area of triangle is area is equal to under root of S into S minus minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Take another variable B, and we will take another variable, that is C. We will write the formula S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Area is equal to, then we will write the formula of area. Area is equal to math.sqrt. In the bracket we will write S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Bracket close. Then we will print the value of area of triangle.